Hello there, YouTube. I hope all y'all are having a blessed day. I have something very special to show you. I have been playing with pigments and making my very own granulating watercolors. And I'll show you the ones that I've gotten so far. These are the first 8. And I've spent about a week playing with formulas, and that's why you see all these staples, because I had sample upon sample upon sample. The names all come from the Bible, and they refer to the high priest's breastplate stones that are evident throughout the Bible and mostly in Revelations and Ezekiel and a few other places. But this is what I'm calling Nofek. This is Gemma, Tarshish, which I just finished tonight. This is Shoham. Look at the granulation in there. This is Reuben. This is Puck. This is Barkath, and this is Odom. And yes, I realize I have 3 pink on here, but I'm working with a limited amount of pigment. I have more ordered, but I don't have all the colors I need to make the absolute end-all beat-all granulating watercolors. So I'm still trying to source them. I'm still trying to find them. I thought we would have a play with these paints and see what kind of trouble we can get into. So let me get set up and I'll turn the camera back on. I think what I'm going to do is a concentric circle. Some of them I have very little because I didn't want to waste the expensive pigments. I was making it in 1/3 of a gram. Now let's do Shoham. Tarshish. Oh boy, do I want to do, let's see, toss some puck in here and see what happens, just for the puck of it. I know this is reading kind of green. But it has a blue undertone. Oh, these colors are driving me insane. I love them. So pretty. Let's try Gemma again. Gemma's a sweet pink. I think out of all of the colors, Tarshish gave me the most trouble. This yellow, trying to get it to granulate is not particularly easy, but I am finding the process fascinating and I can't wait to do more of it. Alright, so I've already tossed a little green in there. What happens if I toss this in too? Just so we can see all of them. Thin line in there. I like it. I think it's working. It's working. Okay, what do I want to end this one with? Reuben. And I still have a wee bit of space. I can fill. We'll go back to Tarshish. And we have one more. Let's go back to the one that started it all. No fic. Maybe I'll stick some of that elsewhere. All right, that looks like a pretty full piece of watercolor paper. So you know the drill. I'll be back when this is dry. We still are dealing with a stink bug that is harassing me. So if all of a sudden the camera flies off, it's because he just landed on my desk. You are not staying. You have not been invited. You are going to join the wads of wet paint in my trash can. This was just a fun little project just to show you what I've been working on, and I'm so very excited. I have goosebumps. I've been working real hard on these, and I'm very, very happy with them. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. I hope you'll give this a try. And if you want to learn more about how watercolor paints are created and how granulation happens and all that, there will be more videos on this in the future. So thanks again so much for watching. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are fair.